I found this wonderful crochet pattern book on Amazon. It's called Crochet So Fine, and it has very lacy, beautiful, elegant crochet patterns for vests and cardigans and like tops and shawls and apparel. It's beautiful. It's very refined and elegant. Let's take a look at these beautiful crochet patterns. I'm for big crochet. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about this crochet book I found on Amazon. And since the listings on Amazon hardly ever do credit to the great patterns you can find inside of one of these books, I have scoured the internet to find the wonderful patterns that you can find inside. It's going to be about apparel, so stuff you can wear, and lots of lacy, fine yarned stuff, crocheted so fine, hence the title. Let's take a look. Now, well, these are all the all the ones that we're going to talk about. So let's dig in. Let's start with these hats. Look at the cool stitch that was used. I think it's called the broomstick stitch. I'm not exactly sure. Here it is again. And a close-up, and I love the little air vent on top. A slouchy beanie, slightly different. It almost looks knitted, doesn't it? It's a very nice look. A gorgeous color, this one as well. And a little sun hat with lots of ventilation holes. So cool. And a close-up of that. If you put this on a bold person, they're gonna get some interesting tan lines for sure. A lovely little lacy cardigan with a hoodie. How cool is that? This is a hoodie, lace hoodie cardigan. And another one with a bigger stitch or bigger holes. And this is the one from the cover, I think. Well, it's blue. Yeah, this is the one from the cover. Gorgeous patterns inside of it. Absolutely beautiful. A delicate little scarflet and a little less delicate scarflet, but this is a bit more practical if it's actually cold outside. A little shrug, I think a shawl, I'm not sure what it's called, but gorgeous lace pattern there. And another one with another kind of pattern. Lovely, gorgeous stuff this. And I'm just going to click through, and this is great for dramatic effect. You can flap your arms and have a wonderful effect on the back. And this is multicolor goodness. And another one, the color of this beautiful stars, and a close-up of this. You can see the delicate yarn they used to make this. That would not be my favorite yarn to use, but the result is undeniably beautiful. And we're going to the little, let's see, little short sleeve tops. So there's a couple of tops in this book, and short sleeves and some sweaters, but this is the first one. I love the little square stars almost. Very nice and delicate. This is a more dramatic long-sleeved one. And how gorgeous are these sleeves. Absolutely beautiful. And I love this little accent there as well. Beautiful. I love this one. It's a nice bohemian type. Multicolor. Very elegant and delicate. And that's it. Great book. Wonderful stuff. If you like the lacy kind of apparel, I wish you happy crocheting. Nice birch tree. Yay! Okay, last one of the job. This is the last one of today, people. Let's keep it friendly. Oh, this is better. Yeah, hello. Oh, my fat face. Right in the middle of the... Okay, good.